Hi, this is David of Inspect Canada. One of the things that we look for when we're doing our home inspections are safety items. What's very important to have in your house, especially if you have a gas stove, fireplace, furnace, hot water tank that is producing gas, is to have a carbon monoxide detector. But also you need smoke detectors. The thing is, they don't last forever, so many of the places we'll inspect will have smoke detectors, but many have expired many years ago. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in general, they're designed for about 30 years. So I have one right here. This one says to replace by 2030. So it's about 9 years from now. And this one here, we're in a condo. I don't want to have that too close to the kitchen because then it's going to trigger every time someone burn or cook something, but I also want to have it close to the bedroom. So right behind me, we have a bedroom here and a bedroom right there. So I'm going to install it right here. Sometimes they are hardwired. This one is not, it's a battery operated one. So all I need to do is to take this bottom strip off, anchor it to the ceiling. Then I'm going to put this on, spin it, and it's going to anchor right there. So give me a second, I'll get a chair and I'll set this up. Now, whenever you install that, you don't want it to look too weird, so you try to center it as much as possible in your hallway. And then if you do have a drill, that's even better. But if you don't, if all you have is a screwdriver, then use that, that will work. It will just take a little bit longer, that's all. Because we're not screwing into wood here, we're just screwing into drywall. Alright, so 2 screws into it, that will be plenty enough because this is not very heavy. It's got little clips on the rim right here, so I set this in there, find out where it goes a little deeper, then I'll spin it and it's going to lock in place. And here you go. And once you have it installed, make sure that it is working because maybe the battery's already dead in there. So there is a test button. Alright, so that's all there is to it. So it's a 2-minute job. You don't want to hire anybody to do that. You go to Costco, those ones are super cheap. They're like between $5 to $10. If you buy the one carbon monoxide and smoke detector mixed together, which is a really good one to buy, if I remember right, they're roughly about $30 for 2 at Costco. And if you go to Home Depot, Rona, or your preferred store, you'll find them there, and they're always on special. So once a year at least, or even twice a year, if you can take the time to push on that test button to make sure that they work. And if they start beeping, don't unplug them. It means that the battery is dying on you. So if they start beeping once in a while, get yourself a 9-volt battery, turn this around. All you need to do to turn this on, you find that little clip, you push on it, and it should come right off. Here you go, just like that. And then you take the battery out, replace it, put it back here, and here you go, job done. So as you can see, this is extremely easy, something you should do yourself. Don't hire anybody to do that. Otherwise, you know, it's gonna cost a couple $100 for someone to come here, drive in, drive out, install it and all that, when this is something you can do in 2 minutes. All you need really is a screwdriver and that's all. Don't forget to test them, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell to get a notification each time we add a new video. And if you have any questions, always reach out to us directly. We'll be happy to help in any way we can. Until next time, have a beautiful day.